Hi, I'm Andy. I'm working for Photron. We are a manufacturer for high-speed cameras. And today I would like to show you how you could use our high-speed cameras on a drop tower. But before I'm gonna do that, I will set up a drop tower. Have great fun! That's our drop tower, isn't it nice? Now we are going to simulate a head impact test. So a dummy head is falling into an airbag. It's a kind of dummy head, it has the right weight. And that's an airbag which is filled with foams with kind of plastic. And that's how it works. There's the airbag and the head will be held via a magnet on here, and then you just release it. Quite easy and simple. But now we need a high-speed camera to record exactly the impact into the airbag, and that's the next. For our drop test, I will use 3 different high-speed cameras. That's our first one, that's the FASTCAM Mini WX100, 4 megapixel by 1000 frames, and that one I will use for the complete flight path of the head, and I'm using it with a Nikon F-mount optic. It's a 14mm optic. Our second camera, which we are using today, is the FASTCAM Nova S12. It is a megapixel camera which can go up to 12,800 frames by megapixel. So it's a really fast one. But today we are just using it by 10,000 frames per second, and we will look at the impact of the dummy head into the airbag really precisely, so we can see how it dives into the air. The third camera is the Photron FASTCAM MH6. And that's a really special camera because it is a ruggedized camera, and what makes it special, the camera itself is split in 2 parts. So that's the processor and that's what we call the camera head. Here is the sensor inside and a communication tool to send all the data to the memory. So with that camera you can run up to 6 of these heads, which have full HD resolution by 1000 frames. And today I will use 4 of these small heads. One head is on the opposite of the impact, so with that camera we will have a perfect view of the impact by 1000 frames. The second and the third head I've mounted here to have a nice overview of the impact from above. And here's the last one. I've mounted that one on a kind of slide which will also drop like the dummy head, so, and we will have a parallel fall of both the dummy head and the camera. Let's turn them on and do a test. in real time. And now in high speed. Thanks for watching that video. If you need further information, please visit us on our homepage www.photron.com or send us an email to image@photron.com. Thanks again for watching, have a nice day and stay safe.